Question 1. Which information is not true regarding clozapine induced myocarditis? Which information is not true regarding clozapine induced myocarditis? 10% has significant cardiac complications. It is idiosyncratic event. Incidence is less than 0.05 to 1%. Complete recovery is seen in 20% of cases. Answer is D. Complete recovery 20%. Here is the explanation. So, complete recovery is seen in the 50% of the patient. Question number 2. Bradycardia is cardiovascular effect of which psychotropic drug? That is, which psychotropic drug causes bradycardia? Tricyclic antidepressants, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, venlafaxine, bupropion. And answer is B. That is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Here is explanation. Question number 3. Which of the following exercise has been demonstrated to reduce depression in patients with depression and coronary artery disease? That is, which exercise is helpful in patients with depression having coronary artery disease? Stretching, strengthening, aerobic exercises, none of the above. And answer is C. That is aerobic exercise. Here is the explanation. Question 4. Following variable is associated with chest pain induced by panic disorder. Young age, female sex, unemployment, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Here is explanation. Question 5. How many cases of palpitation account for functional cardiac symptoms? 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. How many cases of palpitation account for functional cardiac symptoms? Answer is 30%. Here is explanation.